Let's try a tongue twister with a V sound. V sound. Let's try. Bobby Vincent Barnes bought a violet-colored van. Then Bobby's brother Sam bought a silver-colored tram. Then Bobby bought a tram from his baby brother Sam, and Bobby Vincent Barnes became a very happy van tram man. Can you do it? Let's do it slowly. Bobby Vincent Barnes bought a violet-colored van. Then Bobby's brother Sam bought a silver-colored tram. Then Bobby bought a tram from his baby brother Sam, and the Bobby Vincent Barnes became a very happy van tram man. Let's try it quickly. Are you ready? Let's start. Bobby Vincent Barnes bought a violet-colored van. Then Bobby's brother Sam bought a silver-colored tram. Then Bobby bought a tram for his baby brother Sam, and Bobby Vincent Barnes became a very happy van tram man. Can you do it? You're the best!